Hi and welcome back to the Checkpoint CCSA certification series. Today we will explore configuring the IP address of the Security Management Server, or SMS, using both the graphical user interface and the command line interface. Knowing how to perform these configurations is essential for managing your Checkpoint environment efficiently. We will start by setting up the IP address using the GUI, a straightforward method that provides a visual representation of the process. Then we will move to the CLI, where we will use specific commands to achieve the same result. This dual approach ensures that you are comfortable with both interfaces and can choose the best method for different scenarios. So here I got my SMS here. It is installed but not configured. So first we need to run the first time wizard. So if we click run here, only to know the IP address. If we look back on the topology, so we can see that the AGUI host should be able to control the SMS server. So this host and this server should be on the same segment on VMware here. So we can check that the AGUI is on what segment. Okay, it is on VMnet 1, so should be the SMS server. So we can check that again also. And we do that only so that AGUI can talk to the SMS server. Here is not, so we need to change that to VMnet 1, so that the A, as we can see here in the topology, so that AGUI can talk to the ASMS. So we click OK here. Maybe we need to restart this server so we can take power and restart guest again. Only so that the interface is correct configured. So wait here until it's done loading, then we can start up the AGUI and use it to log into the SMS server using a web browser. So here we can see that it's done, the AGUI is now ready. We can now check what IP address did this server got. So show interface ETH0. We can see that it is 10.1.1.1. In our topology here, it says it should be 10.1.1.101, not 1. So now we can start by showing how to change that IP. So now we can serve to the IP address of the server. So 10.1.1.1 to start the first time wizard. So admin log in. So we will do the first time wizard to designate this server as a management server. Then we can log in again and change the IP address. So we can change the IP address here on the first time wizard, but we still lose the connection. So we can wait and change it. So we can change it here, but we will lose the connection. So we can wait and change it. All these options here, then the NTP options and other options can be changed later. Security gateway over. So this is a management server, so we remove this and next. Use next on the machine, finish. And now the machine will, the management server will restart. And when the restarting process is done, we can log in to the graphical user interface. You can see here it's almost done, so we can skip this until it's done. Now it's done loading. We can log in again to the GUI to change it. So now you can go in and change the IP address. So it should be 101. So now press on, type these network interfaces. So this is our interface. We can press on edit. Okay. So we see this caution here, because if we change the IP address we will lose connection. So edit, okay, and change it to 101 and press OK. When we press OK, we lose the connection. So this is how we do it in the GUI. So now we will see how to do it in the CLI. So we log into the server using PowerShell. So SSH admin apt, okay, 10.1.1, yes, so it's always, if we need to change any setting in the CLI, we use the command set. So set interface ETH0. Our interface is called ETH0, and we check what options do we have. So we have the IPv4 address. So IPv4 address, and now we can choose the 10.1.1.101 with mask 24. And now we lose connection because we are using PowerShell. But if we go there again, admin, so show interface ETH0. Now we can see that the IP address is 101. Back to the GUI here. If we press refresh here, so failed to acquire the lock. So we lose connection because we have changed the IP address. So now we can publish, start a new page, https://10.1.101. So we can safely close this page, and now we can see that we are again back to this. So log in. Only to check it against the GUI. Here, if we press network interfaces, we can see that the interface is now 101. So now we are done configuring the IP address of the management server. So again, according to this map, to this topology, we need this. Now we are done with the GUI and the ASMS. In the next video, we will start configuring the gateways. The gateways have many interfaces, so we will add many interfaces and configure them as the topology here. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.